Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Edwini nyina na ebom.
Enga mepe.
Okay. Your boy homebody.
Mami can say 10 uninterrupted minutes.
That's it. Now that's why in the case one.
And they said 10 minutes in the wow. And the 10 minutes in the wow. And the baby episode they call. About 10 minutes, mami you. But the only person who my bum me who could not say be chairman margin there maybe so.
No problem. They didn't kind of. Yeah, they in chair sumbo ebema etiefo any ahwefo nyina. Na me project nintia nkwala na ya otakura de asem no eda makoma so a bibi biara mekono ya mama akwenya na me de akai woni a eyo mo sede se wo mo beboa na matwe ebusuafo nso adwen aba so se empempenso a yedui ebusuafo nso kenya wo mo hu bi ezanze me de me hu no se bibi sonku bi ebe free police fo nchen aba senia nyoma no ene nsem o mo keka ne o mo akone aba ne bibia no enkyere me se o mo ni abre se enkwara no mo ebe hwe mo nti ebusuafo no so kenya o mo na woni a wo information bia no mesre se muslimi fo nso ye kobọ mpaye ansan so akere kom na ye bompaye no ye gidi se ye bompaye anyame eje sampai bo no intentem enti ye be kai ye nwa musomi fo ye bompaye na sam kwala na ira wo takrade no ye tumi ye nsatimi kanwo na wo mo be kanwo busuafo na wo mo edi wo mabrabo ekonemi electoral commission issues
alaji pacho asana abakonso no PDS for yasremo an free enra nwumre ena mudum kanea ewo Spintex especially Regimanuel Estate mo Golden Gate side hono mudum light ne free nra nwumre ebesi sabre mo nsoi ena ya ka PDS then ECG baby ECG daso ye adwuma ne PDS wo nyina yasremo monso Spintex road for hono monso mo kanea no mo Regimanuel for the sumu monso emo yasremo a why madaru ma monhwe nso emo
na na we jo
me nam ka kiro
say dum zo re jai
me nka say dum so me so mo dum mo kanea ka say titu azo
me ka ko be ni electoral commission now am sense mo very 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 simple we ye ehwehwemu na obusabisa nsemo ekoso a enti ase a obenya no ema wodwene se denti ena ma electoral commission ani wo mpanyifo a na ado dankwa kofo ado eyi wo mo edwen den ena wo mo pe den ni wo mo botai efa wo mo election a to say ebe koso e wo man Ghana mu se ye nyina ye de ya dwen ko ekire a estatifi emra yeyi ye mama je mensa ne wo mo beboa no mo ba office na first assignment a mo beye no mo di just mo ni edin na mo je ni amopɛ na mo twitwa na mo atwitwa bo yesem emra no wo mo nsem tumi no wo mo nsem ti ni amopɛ mo yedi Ghana bo hwɛ mo nim na then the outcome because the first major tester easy way ya na nado eyi wo mo no referendum o mo koye then the outcome of that referendum then the tie emra na woni a we kode yo wo mo reputation e wo Ghana election raise issues about that referendum na ye koye ye ni election na ye di yi ye di chiche regions no na isi fo no ejira mo pintin se bibia nsi wo ye ko yenim na evidence be da yenim a onu ankasa be hu se anyoma no bibia to chima
evidence
nemo onu ankasa se investigation o say wa committee se wo monkoye na wo mobile no say wo mu se ebi ehye omotare isi fo atare na wo mu edi sai duma evidence and comfort tape ni video wɔn de bɛtu dwa ɛfa referendum ni mu sɛ obi vote more than once obi yama ne papers no dodoa na ɔwɔ boot ni mu a ɔwɔ ne nyinaa sɛ ɔmo investigate yɛ ama kode yɛ raise issues with some of them.
esi ne bɛ ka kyerɛ ɔsɛ ɔmo hu sɛ saa deɛ ne yɛ no kure.
esi no ɛbɛka sɛ debi ɔmo sɛ biribi sɛ nti that was their initial position. Nti amanfo a wɔn nso partake in the election no ɛde wɔn asɛm bɛtu dwa ɛne wɔn ade wɔn hu yɛ like kodeyo ɛne wɔn a wɔn keka ho ɛna esi no afei de wɔn sɛ okay sɛ saa deɛ ɛbɛ investigation na nse ya wɔn sɛ wɔn investigation hu sɛ yes baby to chima mum na emum no ma to chima no ɛyɛ bibi a ɛyɛ baby a bit me ha election.
Omo specific name I touch man.
Oh certainly to the extent say some pictures videos na yes say yehu nipa dodo a wo mo vote no any sa election official na wo hye easy for atare a one na ebo amanfo eko vote ni na ekeka ho no omo raise issues with that with specific reference to the election official no wo say wo mo say o che o matare na emum wo mo hwehwe mu kyerɛ sɛ wo mo enhu obi poten a ɛta sɛ ofa na edwuma mu anase edwuma poten a obɛyɛ wo ho na emum ɛwɔ sɛ Ghana fo nso hu ne sɛ wo mo a ɛyɛ a wo mo fa wo ɛbɛboa wo mo bɛyɛ edwuma ne na ekeka ho. So clearly something went wrong, and then you take the fact say the major issue ane ama political parties ni bi any easy edi enkita ho anase edi akwaniaba anase entiase eni omuntemu no very ba kopɛ say easy aje mensa da no say wo bɛyɛ limited registration na say limited registration no wono de wa hwɛ akosoro abafom ehunu sɛ obebie 250 registration centers sano etre peve say okoyusu ne district offices edi aye eno na NDC for raise issues e can tell so we are sano a we be hard you because wo mo say wo tumi say wo be yan hyehyɛ a ye nyina ye be di atum na emom say tumi no woni because right to be ends at where someone else's right also begins. Now be timi tre peve say won hyehyɛ no at some franchising ama won tumi anye registration won tumi amba mu amba ye elections are na won so why boni enti yenhwe na yenhwe ade a ebesi koye yenya Afarijan yenya Charlotte Bensa and any edwuma mo ye with regards to similar exercises Charlotte say with regards to similar exercises when we have a limited registration nana what first your friend saying the old man Afarijan one be 6,000 centers at the similar exercise limited registration in 2014 Charlotte say so be 6,000 centers now then a year result be centers no door so no about 80 to 85% of target 80 to 85% exams be ubenya 80 no they got 80 to 85% of targets and a year target kit one more too because they used statistics now young say statistical service ediba too one more say nkwala no ebenyi within this time no dodo say empenyimfo a ye no so efi say na omuni ho afi no mo aba anasa omo benya kwa aba register this time no say enti target no mo ye no they achieved by the number of polling stations no anasa registration center no wo mo nyai eba ne sen ena Charlotte sen ko ade wo hwe 2014 6,000 registration centers in 2016 6,000 registration centers now won ko abedu so a wo so wo ye 125 and 150 say polling registration centers na me nim adwen and woni timu that those are the issues people are raising and certainly what just opposed by one kasa ni action ni initiative or use or take here in the your friends say referendum prior to the referendum or be limited registration centers no mami enya only 47% of target 47 in any exam enye failure enye 47 enye failure only 47% of targets. It clearly Her approach is not giving us the needed results. And on a party for reason, what ye ne position, ne posture, any tape na be told ya. Japan saying electoral commission. One general secretary general say to Getia intem. Any senior mameno kasa. Any change I said to Getia. Any 7 saying how I said to Getia to Ejina no. You clearly understand. Say I said to Getia in pepe say mame way at the key position be into on him senior one also or gadano. Because my men not send your name because besides a man, I the only me in particular when me was a man. What is the position? Now then and obey kids. Look, I have seen when members of MPP a fresh Charlotte say in some a dear and some fata mean to me cry and repeat to her. Charlotte said didn't take that poster against the MPP. She went there and acted professionally. Near Ghana for it said Jemensa and who say on yen another down Akufo-Addo appoint you office na wako occupy you with constitution and laws guiding that office. Say ni wura fi na say MPP for ya de na o mo say o mo pe appointees of Nanado and ma na ono so ka hu bi na wakotena ho a onka hu ni say sa na obeye no dia Ghana e be di.
But ade ana me nwanwa ni say dia na wo electoral commission ho a mo opposition na mo huru mo wa ba mu amu
Nana
asoma me bi say enye say wo nko na bi say adoma ko so me bi say ne bi say because me Kaipa 2016 they did mo e let my vote count alliance ba ye nye register for bloated register ho fine go say enu kra na mo ye ya ekokodu me koto aba national to say me die fi mama nto aba ne bi mu ni nyina ewum about 20 days mutu ye me man to be so and so that time no the opposition can ye biara na NDC support to easy and ne tables no dane ye no NDC they say mo na mo kan de na MPP kan that time no and NDC MPP so na kan de na mo so mo kan no that time no and ye na say easy ho
Nana very simple. We have been vindicated because the major issue prior to the 2016 election with the voter register say if you say yes voter register no say bloated and so on and so forth inti young NDC in position say whatever the situation taking into cognizance or minor situation needs to car any near kika we can correct that register so if it's a problem we can correct it and keep it on instead of saying say yeah registration for and we have been vindicated sa registration and no sa register no and omudi aba power has it affected omo power no omo aba no and no and yede referendum and no and yede dividing regions so we have been vindicated say your position was clear they were just being naughty and say omo kasa na you want to say bibi atutima but let me tell you omo kasa no extend from the fact to say former president John Dramani Mahama na breso and ye Charlotte say we are retirement in there say ye the papufo Charlotte say did not take that position say wono ateki entrenched position against the MPP because they were against her appointment on take it there we don't have any such record but mameno any womo di netini nyina no now appointing woman they are taking an entrenched position to the extent say obi to be friend Facebook now also are responding say na man for kasa and kasa no mo kasa no and go siaga and I say look we are in a serious country election is a serious sensitive matter sa and modi be di agro kwakwasa beka sankwala agro the issues are be free mo abano very frightening. Hold it there. Say more political party to say this more do your mind so that more opposition chey. Na se kobase ye referee or electoral matters de na mo threaten and issues dey be free mo abano enye matter papa ade Ghana ebebo e mo sansem na mo kan de gide election bibi biara obeko election matters and senior yebe nhyehyaya what do you call it?
Are you saying that the electoral commission will only be fair?
Very critical. What's that?
Are you only saying that electoral commission ebe fair bra? Why the more NDC more person oyana?
No, not the case. Not the case. Besides NDC, enka say onko ye bibia enimramu. Ye ka just say babe ade a wo ye no. Wo ye atia mra. Ya said say ye be bom mra no ho ban.
Mate.
Say ya said say ye be bom mra ho ban.
Mami ko former class prefect.